What is up, everybody? Woody LS3 here, coming at you with another vlog. Today's gonna be a little different. My truck actually messed up on Friday. Something happened with my transmission. We're still looking into it to see what really happened. It's at Alex's shop, but then after that I took my car and my shifter cable actually messed up also. So right now I have my truck and my car down. Luckily Freddie let me borrow his truck. He let me borrow one of his trucks. Here it is right here. So big shout out to him for letting me borrow one of his trucks just so I can go to work. So like I said, Freddie, appreciate it, man. Y'all definitely go check out his channel, his brand, Project Torque. Awesome dude, does giveaways, has a shop here in Conroe if y'all don't know. Definitely go subscribe to his channel on YouTube. Always putting out good content. But today we're gonna try to see if I can get the shifter cable working. I'm gonna see if I can install this rubber piece that you can install. Car works fine, everything works fine. It's just a common part that goes out on these. So we're gonna try to get that working so we can get this back on the road, hopefully get my truck running on the road. But man, I love driving that truck. I actually feel like I need to get one. Comment down below if y'all think I should get a single cab truck for the channel, and you know, we'll see what we do. For now, we're gonna work on this car, get it back up and running. All right guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jack it up from the rear. Where it actually messed up is at the connection in the back, so we're gonna jack it up from the rear, lift it up, and then go ahead and see if we can replace that rubber grommet. I got it to work. I kind of rigged it up with some zip ties and stuff like that, just to drive it back, because they were charging me crazy amount of money just to tow it back here where I live, which is pretty far. Like I said, I just wanted to get it up and running. I was able to rig it up to get it into gear, and now it's home. It's been sitting here for a while now. I haven't been really wanting to mess with it, just a little upset over it, but like I said, it's a common issue. It's just a part that's designed to wear out. We're gonna see if we can get it up and running. If not, I have to buy the whole shifter cable, but we're gonna see if we can get it to work and see how it goes. Alright guys, I don't know if y'all can see, but right here is the shifter cable. You can see where I put some zip ties, and it actually worked. It got me home. I didn't have to pay that expensive towing fee. We're gonna see if we can try to put that little rubber piece on this cable end here, just so it doesn't have any play or anything like that. Hopefully it works. Like I said, if not, we'll just have to buy the whole piece. Alright guys, this is a little rubber piece that we're gonna try to install. Hopefully it fit. It came with a pack of 2. I went ahead and put the front one already on. As you can see in here, I took apart all that right there. It's all taken apart, but we're gonna put that back on. That's not hard. But like I said, I already replaced that one. This is the one for the back. Hopefully it worked, but let's go ahead and try this real quick. Alright guys, well I got the piece on there. Let's see if it works. I got my little fan going. That little Milwaukee fan comes in handy, so man, big shout out to Milwaukee. I think they do the best tools, my opinion. As you can see, everything's pretty much torn apart in here because I did replace the one that's under here. But let's go see if it works. This car's crazy loud, but I gotta let it warm up before I start to shift. With the cam and everything, gotta let it at least get up to temperature. But man, I miss driving this car. I haven't driven it in like maybe tomorrow it'll be a week. It's that cam sound. Alright guys, let's go ahead and try. Try again. Neutral. Drive. Alright guys, I think we fixed it. Alright guys, I think we fixed it. It's working good. I just replaced that little piece right there, front one and the back one. Instead of buying the whole shifter cable, which nothing was wrong with it, we just bought the little rubber pieces that go on the ends of them to attach to the transmission and the shifter. So this is actually the piece that I bought. If y'all want to look that up, 14055. It's a Dorman brand. Guys, if it messes up on you, if this problem happens to you where if the shifter doesn't want to get out of park, or it doesn't want to, or if it shifts but it feels like it's nothing on it, like nothing behind it, like it's not going into gear, nothing, definitely recommend for you to check your bushings. Check your bushings, guys. If it is, this is not going to come out. If you go to an auto parts store, they're going to say they don't sell that piece. They're going to try to make you to buy the whole piece. The dealer's going to do the same thing, because I tried to call and they say they don't sell them. They sell them as a whole kit. So guys, this is the part number. This will save you at least 40 bucks. So I mean, and it'll save you a big headache, because like I said, if you do replace the shifter cable, you have to take down the X pipe and the exhaust. So try that first. Check your bushings. Make sure it's not your bushings. If your cable is ripped, then obviously you have to buy a new cable. But if they're just worn, check that part out first, guys. That'll save you a lot. I hope it helps some of y'all. Man, this saved me a big headache. We're gonna put all this back on and put this car back down. Get to enjoy it again. So let's go. Alright guys, well, I was able to put everything back. Everything's back in, as you can see. I just gotta clean it up from all the fingerprints and everything like that. Like I said, guys, that part number, if your car does this, or even just if you want to just fix it to get out of the spot, I'm waiting for it to focus, I'll put the brand and I'll put the part number. I picked that up at O'Reilly's. Luckily they had it in stock. This was the only one they had. So I'm sure you'll find it at AutoZone, in the auto parts store. Hopefully this video can help y'all guys. This was just something that I wanted to put together because I wanted to help you guys if this ever happens to you. So it was something not planned. Unfortunately it happened, but it's good now. For my truck, I'm still gonna see what's going on with my truck. Like I said, I'm using that single cab. I'm loving it. It makes me want to get a single cab, and I actually wanted to get an older truck like a Cat Eye or just something along that year. I mean, after driving this truck, it's very nice. I really like it. So we'll see what's on the market when the time comes. Right now, I don't want to rush things. I like to take my time and do things the right way, and we'll see what happens. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.